come on, cut it out. That's not funny.
Just squeeze it out, Rick, like toothpaste.
Like what?
Like a tube of cookie dough.
Now what? Can't go 5 minutes in this zoo.
Sitting shout along, and all in hears is calm. Fiddling lemon rum.
Are you done in there?
Yeah!
Ah, sorry.
Sail, fly, saily Kay, sail, wind, and flay.
Okay, you finished now, right? Hello? Ah! Where did she go? Did she disappear? Did she turn invisible? I just have no idea. Gotcha!
No.
Hey, you're good.
Look, there are only 3 rules at this zoo. Don't feed the animals, don't touch the animals, and don't ask me stupid questions.
Why not?
Oh, now we're breaking rules 2 and 3, huh? Move it, hotshots.
Ready or not, here I come. I'm getting warmer. Any second now. Fee-fi-fo.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the kid.
You lost it?
No, she was just... Here she is. Hey, what's the matter?
And still, losers!
What are we gonna do, Cecil?
It's on the front page. The child, the one you were after.
Will you be quiet? Don't you think I'm aware of the situation?
Well, it's simple. We come back tonight, rip our necklace right back from those filthy birds.
I was up all night trying to find it.
You got a genius plan, then?
Yeah, well, until we know for sure, we're gonna act like nothing happened, understand? You just get the machine up and running. I'll take care of the kid.
Why waste my genius on a flock of dumb animals?
And when I find whoever let it out, they're dead. Oh! Why are you still here? Come on, go! Move, now!